Hello viewers, welcome to IT Learning Tutorial YouTube channel for you. Today in this tutorial we learn how to input random number in Excel sheet. So sometimes it became important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. We are typing student name or many subject. We want to input random number in this subject. We at first select the wholesale. We just input and input call equal random between and great number and call comma and top number and hit control plus enter, and we are see random number are input. In this way we input random number in many subject. So if this video is benefit for you, so I request you subscribe my channel, keep watching next tutorial. Thank you very much.